Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing the core devices where you can reach them. Attach a crafting terminal and a Mi drive near your power supply, then place a Mi controller to anchor the network. Once done, insert a storage component into the Mi drive and connect power. This is crucial because without stable energy, the network will not accept items. Make sure to use dense cables only where needed. They reduce channel loss and let you expand quickly as your storage needs grow. You now expand capacity and automation. Add more Mi drives and swap storage cells for higher capacities. Plan a mix of 1K, 4K, 16K, and 64K to manage cost versus space. Then connect Mi interfaces to machines or an export bus for automated output. Import buses pull items in. Once done, track channel usage on your Mi controller. Each device consumes channels, so route heavy setups through P2P tunnel. You finish by validating the whole system. Open the terminal, search for items, and craft a few things to confirm automation. Then set up a basic backup using an export bus to a chest for rare items. If something breaks, first check power and then inspect the Mi network tool for channel conflicts or full storage warnings. If a drive becomes unresponsive, remove and reseat the storage cell and make sure cables are not overloaded. These quick steps solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.